The world census is shocking. In China, now just over 700 million people, a far cry from the 2 billion it reached 35 years ago.
In Africa, it's the first year where the population hasn't fallen since the so-called Great Hunger, the decade when 1 billion people died.
The United States announced today that the population was just over 150 million, from the all-time high of more than 600 million.
It is now 35 years since Earth's population doubled. Near large bodies of water, cities have mushroomed in size, reaching 35 million people in forests of mega skyscrapers. At night, these megacities shine. But the rest of North America is almost completely dark. Once thriving cities have been abandoned. Throughout England, France, the United States, if they're not close to water, economies have collapsed. In much of the Midwest, farms have been abandoned for lack of water. Billions have died hungry, finally confronted by the reality of what the Earth can sustain. After 35 years of decline, Earth's population has finally stabilized. It's dropped to 4 billion. Now, the Earth's comeback begins. In the oceans, the fish stocks that we all but wiped out slowly rebuild. Forests start to take back land they occupied before settlers arrived. For the first time in decades, rivers in many countries flow freely, no longer dammed and drained by cities and massive irrigation. The reservoirs on the Colorado River begin to fill up again. This has been a thought experiment, a look into a bleak, suddenly overcrowded world. But already, millions are starving. Many cities are overcrowded. Poverty is growing. In the coming years, these strains are likely to get worse. Some believe that the Earth is already at the limit of what it can support, and our population continues to grow.